Hey guys, share with you my EDC carry. Start with the front seat. Disposable utensil. Baton. My law enforcement time. Accessible to me in case of an emergency. I have a rag to wipe anything off. I have a fog spray. Get inside. Pen holder, phone hanger, dash cam, phone magnet with the charger. We got 3 different prong charger. My first aid, tourniquet, fire extinguishers, belt cutter. Move along. I got the brush to clean the dust. I got another knife there. Quick access, accessible. Imodium. Eye drop. SD card. Any important cards that I need to put away here. By the way, I have something as I have binoculars and something else underneath. Usually I have my firearm in there too. Have my headset from work. It's a plastic hanger. When I go shopping, I can hang stuff right here. My glove compartment. I have OBD2, flashlight, Gerber, my car manual, fuses and rags, and emergency light. So that's it. And the front seat.